Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about how to upload high quality images in Facebook as well as Instagram. As you know that Instagram and Facebook compress your image while uploading. So how to avoid those compressions, that's what I'm going to discuss today. So without wasting our time, let's start. So to avoid the compression, the Instagram and Facebook recommending few tips. The first one is image size. So when you look at the image size, you can see the Instagram suggests best quality resolution possible up to 1080 pixels. That means width of the image should be 1080. If you go beyond that, what will happen? The Instagram automatically compress your images without asking you. The same way, the Facebook also suggests the image size. So when you come over here, you can see the Facebook suggests 2048 wide. If you go beyond that, what will happen? Again, the Facebook compress your image. So this is the first level of avoiding the compression. Coming to the next level called aspect ratio. So when you look at the Instagram says the 1080 pixels with an aspect ratio between 1.91:1 and 4.5. So the 1.91:1 for landscape and 4.5 for portrait. So if you set your image aspect ratio of these two values, then there is no compression is going to happen in your images. So these are the points has to be taken care for your images for both Instagram and Facebook in case of aspect ratio. Coming to the next point is color profile. The color profile should be sRGB, standard red, green, blue. So the sRGB color profile is the most commonly used color profile for the monitors and web related applications. So that is the reason we are using sRGB. Also sRGB can produce different variations of colors, so that always help our photography. Coming to the fourth point is bits. We need to convert your image into 8-bit. When your image having 16-bit and 32-bit, what will happen? The image size will be very high. And as you know that both Instagram and Facebook are web-based platform. So when you upload the images in 16-bit and 32-bit, it will take a lot of time. Also the file size will be very huge. So to avoid those things, we need to convert your image into 8-bit. So that is the fourth one. Now we are going to see how to connect all these things and export your images. So this is the image I am going to export today. So when you look at the image size, you can see the image size is almost 14 MB, 13.6 MB. The dimension of the image is 6000 into 3376. If you are going to upload this image, definitely Instagram going to compress your image. So I don't want those compression. I need to avoid those compression. So for that, I'm going to open this image in Photoshop. So the first thing, I'm going to change the aspect ratio of my image. So for that, I'm coming over here in the crop tool. I'm selecting the crop tool and I'm selecting the ratio over here. Okay. After selecting the ratio, I'm going to enter the aspect ratio value of 1.91:1. Now we can see the images got cropped. So this is a part of aspect ratio corrections. So after that, I'm going to press enter button on your keyboard. So now image is perfect. After that, I need to check whether my color profile are in the right color profile. So for that, what I can do, I can come over here and I can see the document profile. Now you can see sRGB. This image is already in the profile of sRGB. So I don't want to do any changes over here. And next things, I need to change my bit rate. So for that, I can come over here in the image, I can select mode, I can see the bit rate. So it's already 8 bits. So I don't want to do any changes over here also. So if you are on the 16-bit, what you can do, you can change to 8-bit. So this is the commonly need to check it out. Okay. Then after that, the final thing, I'm going to export my image. So for that, I'm coming over here in the file, export, save for web. Now the first thing, I need to reduce the image size. So here I'm going to give the image size quality up to 80. So 80% is pretty good for my images. Now after that, I'm going to select my convert into sRGB. It's already converted, but for safer side, I'm just selecting that. Then after that, I can change my width around 2048 because I'm going to export this image for Facebook. So that's the reason I'm giving 2048. Then after that, I can just export my image. Now we are going to see the image size. So for that, I'm going to open the image right now over here and just right button, file info. Look at the image size. Now the image size is 940. It was 13 MB or around 14 MB. Now I reduce the size up to 940 and the dimension of the image is 2048 into 1078. And look at the image doesn't have any quality issues right now. So this is how you can export the image for Facebook. When it comes to Instagram, I'll show you one more image. So for that, I am already opened one image over here. The image size is almost 26 MB file, and the dimension you can see 4000 into 6000. So I need to reduce that. So I already opened the image in Photoshop. The first thing, changing the aspect ratio. So for that, I'm coming over here in the crop tool, and I'm changing the aspect ratio of 4:5. And now you can see the image got cropped, ready to crop, and I'm just selecting the crop tool perfectly. Okay, and press enter button on your keyboard. The next thing is I need to check my color profile. So for that, I'm coming over here, and you can see the color profile is Adobe RGB. So I need to change the color profile. So for that, coming over here and edit, assign profile, selecting sRGB, press OK. Now the color profile is changed. Now we can see it's changed into sRGB. The next thing, I just want to check whether my image bit is in 8-bit. So for that, I'm coming over here in the mode, and now I can see it's a 8-bit. I don't want to do any changes. The final thing, exporting the image. So for that, coming over here in the file and export, say for web, and now the quality is 80. It's perfectly okay for me, and convert it to sRGB. It's already converted, so even just for the safer side, I'm just selecting that. Now the width size I'm going to change into 1080. So this is for Instagram, and I'm going to save the image. Now if you look at the image size, it was 26 MB file. Now you can see it's a 327 KB, and the dimension of 1080 into 1350. Now if you upload this image into Instagram never going to compress your images, and you will get maximum quality. This is the quality you are going to get it. This is how we can export the files for Instagram and Facebook. Now if you want to upload this image into Instagram, what you have to do, you have to copy this file into your phone, mobile phone, and you need to upload it. So you don't want to do, I have one small tips for you. So for that, what you have to do, you have to open your Instagram and click right button and insert. And when you open that, you can see set of codings and over here. You don't want to worry about it. So what you have to do, you have to click toggle device toolbar. When you click, automatically you can see this is now a responsive kind of website. Only thing, you need to just refresh your browser. When you refresh, automatically you will get mobile based applications. So you can see the plus symbol over here. Now you can browse your files, so wherever you are. Now the image is ready to upload in your Instagram account. And this is what I want to tell you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with another amazing video for you. See you. Bye.